guys, it's Ash here, and I'm back again with another video. Today, we're checking out the Awei A997BL, a wireless head-mounted Bluetooth headset designed to deliver strong sound, comfort, and long battery life. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Awei A97BL headset, a USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual in Chinese and English, warranty and documentation. The headset features 40mm drivers, which are larger than many earbuds, promising richer sound. The headband is lightweight and flexible, and the ear cushions are soft for comfortable long-term use. The Awei A997BL is a head-mounted style headset. It has a lightweight, flexible headband, cushioned ear cups, side-mounted control buttons for music, calls, and volume, Type-C charging port. It's designed for daily use, whether you're commuting, exercising, or just relaxing at home. The Awei A997BL delivers clear and powerful audio, 40mm drivers for deep, punchy bass, balanced mids and clear vocals, sensitivity of 110 plus or minus 3 dB, and impedance of 64 ohms. This headset is ideal for music, movies, and online calls, offering a full and immersive sound experience. The Awei A997BL features Bluetooth 5.1 with support for multiple protocols, including A2DP, HFP, AVRCP, SPP, and PBAD. Maximum wireless range, 10 meters, best performance within 1 meter. Pairing is quick and stable, making it easy to connect to smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth devices. Battery capacity, 300 mAh, playback time up to 15 hours, charging time, 2 hours via Type-C. This ensures the headset can last through a full day of regular use. Large 40mm drivers for enhanced audio, dual-channel stereo sound, comfortable head-mounted design, physical control buttons for music and calls, passive noise isolation from ear cushions. The headset combines convenience, comfort, and long battery life in one package. The Awei A997BL is a solid, budget-friendly headset with powerful sound, long battery life, and a comfortable head-mounted design. It's perfect for daily use, music, calls, and entertainment without breaking the bank. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!